Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. This is a first. It's a 2000 Ford Excursion with about $250,000 invested. It's a 24-inch lift. It's a V10 with a Kenne Supercharger, producing about 460 horsepower. It is insane. Sits 49 inches off the ground, from the ground to the sill or the bottom of the door. Got monster tires. They're 21 by 49 and they're wrapped in 20-inch Weld racing billet wheels. I don't know if you get the whole gist of how big this thing is just on the video, but it is monstrous. Full custom paint, full chassis underneath. Ladder bars kind of connect everything together. Custom drive shafts, pinions. Look at the leaves on this thing. Runs great. AC blows ice cold. $50,000 miles. Started life as a Excursion Limited. Custom taillights. Big money invested. Big personality. Barely fit it on my phone. Beautiful custom leather interior. Attracts a lot of attention. If you're shy, definitely don't buy this truck. Huh, grasshopper. Hitching a ride. This is all custom under here. It's a 24-inch lift. Stainless steel exhaust, Flowmasters. Chrome oil pan. Long tube headers, they lead right out. It's all mandrel bent stuff, the exhaust. Beautifully detailed under here too. Cool. Just gonna pause here for a second to get in. Okay, here's the interior. Fully custom interior to match the exterior. Just as loud with blue carpet. Billet steering wheel. Custom gauges showing 50,791 miles. Billet Sills. This is all custom painted to match. Custom rearview mirror that kind of wobbles around. It either needs to be tightened or we need a new one. Billet Sills. And a long drop down. It's all painted in the jams and striped in the jams and everything too. All the way around. Exhaust sounds great. Billet pedals. goes out throughout the back of the truck. Third row seat. Got a spare that probably won't help much. Beautiful headliner. It's gorgeous all the way inside and out. Pause here for a second so I can get under the hood. Okay, under the hood we got a V10 with a Kenne Supercharger, custom plenum. It's a twin screw. Other than that, pretty stock under here. Matching valve covers, a little bit of billet. Definitely pretty awesome. Thing is jack high, man. Custom fiberglass hood, pretty fantastic. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. I'm gonna figure out how to get down now. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's WeBeAutos.com. And don't forget to subscribe. We're always getting some crazy cars in. Thanks a lot.